up to 20 knots. National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fairfield County, South Central New Haven County, East Central Putnam County, and Southeastern New York until 2:30 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brewster, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Danbury and Ridgefield around 1:45 p.m. Newtown around 1:50 p.m. Monroe and Weston around 1:55 p.m. Fairfield and Trumbull around 2 p.m. Bridgeport around 2:05 p.m. Stratford around 2:10 p.m. Milford around 2:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.